Good.
Hey guys, Joshua Peterson, Peterson Electric. This is our December 2021. For my SEO guide, this is going to be labeled slip conduit, or going to be if my meter has pulled away from the raceway coming up into my box. It's important to get these corrected. So we had to have Loveland Power out to pull the power, and then we snapped it and cut it and put on a full raceway right here. And then right here, this is a guide that goes up in here to protect it. You want to get that done so one, you don't get a bird's nest in there. Two, there's not going to be wasp nest and whatnot. But the biggest reason is if these pull and hit this jaw, it can ground out and cause a fire or wreck your box. So it's real important. The other reason is if the whole panel's coming off the wall. Now Loveland Power and Fort Collins do not typically put those in for you. We have to cut these slip conduits in, and they won't usually let a homeowner do that. But there is no charge in a disconnect reconnect fee as of this moment in 2021. REA, I don't believe charges for it either, but we have to charge you time and material on our side. As far as Excel, they do charge you for a disconnect reconnect, and it's further out to schedule them. These guys around here in Loveland, Fort Collins are pretty quick about them, but they are concerned of a fire hazard. How do you know you have an issue? It's gapped about 1 inch. I've seen some of them up to 5 inches deep that pulled away. Sometimes we come in with our jack to see if we can get it up. If we can't, we know it's a raceway, and then we got to call those guys. All right guys, thanks for joining us. Have a good day.